So hi folks, from today all my video and reels will come in English and Bengali as well. So hopefully all my audience, all my followers all over the world, they can understand my videos and reels very well easily. So why I'm doing this? Just so that I can reach more artists can watch my enjoy my videos. So here I am going to make a Indian village scape, very simple and very easy way to learn. So what I did, I just weight the sky little bit and I make the blue part and I left the white part for the cloud. Very simple. There is nothing else. I use the parrot green on the top of the bushes and I use the dark green at the bottom of the bushes. Very simple. Now I'm using burnt sienna for the top of the roof. Be careful and listen carefully. Here I am using burnt sienna, dark brown with little blue, and for the front rooftop, I use only burnt sienna with lots of water. This is the main thing you have to learn. Where I have to use more water, where I have to use dry brushes or raw color or maybe little water. So here I am using little burnt sienna and yellow ochre for the foreground, and here brown for the shadow. Very simple. Listen carefully. Never ever, like if you think that I have to wet the paper every time before I touch the painting, this is not the proper way. If you think that you are wanting like bloody edge, if you are looking for a soft edge, then only wet the paper. Otherwise, not necessary. You have to wet the surface every time. Okay. Here I am working on the dry area. I didn't wet the paper for the foreground. For the sky, I did, but not here. So now, what I am doing, I am making some dark tone on the trees, bushes, so that the volume can come very well and it will look pretty good. And then you can see in the closer, which the part is very close to the camera. I am using olive green. Remember, all the time, I never use primary color directly. Okay, please try to mix your color with one with another, and it will come out very well and look more soft. Okay, so now I did the tree trunk with brown and little bit reflection for some water areas. The swampland, dam swampland, not full of water, some bushes and some water. It's very interesting painting. It's interesting to watch, and if you are simultaneously, if you practice at home, it will be more easy for you. So watch the video carefully and then do practice. Look, it's watercolor. I don't have any way to make it very like fast, or I have to wait where I have to wait. I should wait. Like if I need some sharp edge, I have to wait. I have to use hair dryer. Like here, I didn't. I want that coconut tree's leaves should look very hard. So I did like that without wetting the paper, not lots of water. I use very tiny amount of water and I get it. And even you can see the coconut tree, which is very far from the house, it's lighter than the closer one. Okay. And this is a shadow for the heart. And I will a little bit dark tone, more dark for the windows and a little bit detail for the rooftop, etc. It's not necessary, but for my viewers, if you really want to do the detail, you can do. Look, slowly, slowly, the depth is coming out. Everything is in proper volume. Uh, that's it. No need to do so many things in your single painting. Your main motive is to establish your focal point your subject area, your area of interest. That's it. No need to use obvious thing. There is too hard. Side by side, maybe 200 meter away from the bigger one. And now I'm adding a little bit reflection for the heart, a little bit. Not no need to make 100% copy paste for the reflection. If the water is soft, water is like decent water, then no wave is there, so that much is fine. I'm adding a human. As you all know, as an impressionist, I never make realistic human. It's just an impression that a human is there, some with some stick. That's it, and some touch of birds here and there. If you like the video, please do comment. If you want to learn more, support my profile. Thank you so much, each and everyone, for watching my video. Do practice and share it to me. Thanks a lot.